Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we're going to dive into a Python script that's both fascinating and educational. We'll take you through each line of code step by step, so you can understand what's happening. So, without further ado, let's get started. Today, we have a Python script that can change a user's password without knowing recent password. But before we dive into the code, let's make it clear that this video is for educational purposes only. We're not promoting any unethical hacking activities here. Now, let's break down this script line by line. To start, we import the subprocess module. This module allows us to run system commands directly from our Python script. Next, we have a list called commands, which contains a single command, netuser. This command is commonly used in Windows to view user account information. We loop through the commands list using a for loop. For each command, we execute it using subprocess.run, capturing its output. We then decode this output as UTF-8. The output is split into a list of lines using \n as the separator. Each line represents information about a user account on the system. We check each line to see if it contains the word guest. If it does, we've found our target user account. Once we've identified the line with the guest account, we split it further using multiple spaces as the separator. This helps us extract the username, which we store in the user_name variable. Now, here's where the magic happens. We construct a new command, netuser, user_name, password 123, which sets the password for the user account we just found to password 123. Again, please remember, this is for educational purposes only. Finally, we execute this new command using subprocess.run to change the user's password, and we print a success message to let us know that the password has been changed successfully. Now remember, if you run this program, it will not working here because of administrative privileges. But if you convert this Python program file to exe file like this, and then run this file as administrator, it will work successfully and it will change the password. There you have it. A simple Python script that changes a user's password on a Windows system. But always remember, ethical hacking is about using your skills responsibly and legally. If you enjoyed this video and found it informative, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tutorials. Until next time, happy coding!